Welcome back to OMA'S World. I'll show you how to prepare Nigeria's most loved traditional dish, Ofada rice with Ayamase sauce. Let's get cooking. Welcome to OMA'S World. Here are all the ingredients you will need to make this delicious Ofada rice and Ayamase sauce.
Cook the meat until it's tender and flavorful. Reserve the meat stock because we'll use it later to enrich our sauce.
Ofada rice has a distinct local aroma. Wash it well, but don't overwash. You want to preserve its natural flavor. Now, let's cook it until soft.
All right, time to blend the peppers and onion until smooth. Boiling the pepper mixture helps reduce the water content, giving your Ayamase sauce a richer texture.
Now pour in the palm oil and heat it on medium. Stir until it turns a light golden color. This slow cooking process develops the rich flavor that makes Ayamase sauce so special. Look at that. Rich, spicy, and absolutely mouth-watering. This authentic Ofada rice and Ayamase rich rice, rich spicy Ayamase sauce is simply irresistible. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OMA'S World. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.